everyone, thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for joining my new video. And for those of you who are here for the very first time, hello, nice to see you, nice to meet you. Actually, you are seeing me, I can't see you. But I am really super excited for this video because I am going to share with you one of the most incredible face and body creams that I've ever seen in my life. And the most wonderful thing about this cream is that it's 100% organic and 100% DIY. I mean, you can make it on your own, you can make it at home. It's not gonna have any preservatives, it's not gonna have any additional chemicals that are going to destroy your skin in future or after several years of using those type of kind of cosmetical products and something like this. I'm super excited because I was on my way to try to make any type of cream like this for such a long time. I was reading lots and lots and lots of articles about every single other ingredient. Yeah, and I was collecting and collecting more and more and more information. I was taking some notes about every single ingredient, how it could work on my skin, how can I mix them, what can I do with them actually. And the main question in my head was how to make a combination of them and to make it to be like a real face cream. I mean, to be fluffy, to be to have a nice feeling on my skin. And in the past couple of years, I started using only natural organic oils. I stopped using all the face creams that you can find on the market, all the cosmetic products, all of them. I just stopped using them. I just decided that I have to do something to save my skin in the best way possible, of course. I discovered this treasure in a plastic jar, or this gold in a plastic jar, or I have no idea what name to give to this cream. And probably first of all, I have to mention that the ingredients that I have used to make this cream are the ingredients that I personally love, that are good for my skin. Of course, you have to try all of them probably because they are natural oils. You have to be sure that you are not gonna have any allergy reaction or anything like this. But actually going in any pharmacy or any shop or any other place to buy a cream for your face, you can't be sure in 100% that you're not gonna have any allergy reactions to those creams that are branded, that are from one of the best manufacturers in the market or anything like this. And believe me, when you start using this cream with a combination of these oils, probably after no more than a week, you will feel such a difference on your skin. I haven't ever felt my skin so babyish silk and so moistured and so nourished and so perfect. I'm using this cream every single day, usually once a day or sometimes before going to bed, but I personally don't like a lot to put lots of oils or lots of creams when I'm going to bed. I just love to wash out all the dirtiness from my skin, all the makeup if I'm wearing any makeup during the day. And I just love to go to bed and to sleep just with a bare face, without anything. But in the morning when I wake up, I'm washing my face, I'm applying this cream, leaving it for about probably 2 to 3 minutes just to get absorbed from my skin as much as possible. And then I'm applying any foundation if I decide to use, or I'm just going outside to work with a bare face. I just don't mind. But I love how smooth, how silk feeling, or I just don't know exactly how to explain, but I haven't ever felt my skin in this way. So because of this, I really want to share with you all the information and all the oils I have used. Let me count them because I have no idea actually how many oils I put there. 1, 2, 5. I put 5 natural organic oils, shea butter organic as well, and just for the scent I have used lavender oil, just 2 drops of it. You can use any other oil to scent the cream, or you can leave it with unscented without any scent. Yeah, you are going to see in next couple of minutes the actual process of making this cream. There is nothing difficult in this. You will see it's super easy. You just need to mix them, to melt them, actually to melt them, then to mix them, then to leave the mixture to cool a little bit, and then to use a hand mixer. But because I personally have 2 hand mixers, one of them is broken and only one part of it, like the mixing tool, only one tool of the mixer is working, so I decided to use this one just to make my face creams, because I'm not so sure if you mix this with your other mixer, probably it will be good, but you have to be sure that you will clean it and wash it perfectly before start cooking with it, before you start using it for cooking purpose. Yeah, and the next thing that I want to mention for this cream is that you can use it not only on your skin, you can use it all over your body. And by the way, all those oils that I mixed here, I'm using as well on my hair. I haven't ever I just don't know how to share with you my experience. I can tell you lots of things, but probably the personal feeling could not be transferred in a video, could not be transferred with the camera, on the camera, captured on a camera. I haven't ever have in my life so much hair. Never in my life, guys. I swear, since I started using all those oils, I'm making such a different kind of combinations. I got lots of videos on this topic. I mean, like hair nourishing DIY masks. You can take a look at them. You can make any other combination of the oils that is working like for your hair type, for your skin type. But believe me, using those oils for about 2 years, I think, maybe, or 2.5 years, they just did miracles to my hair, to my skin, to my face, to my nails as well. So yeah, because this was one of the most requested videos ever in my channel. This is one of the most requested topics in my channel. You are asking me so often how to get rid of pimples, how to get rid of under eye circles, how to get rid of any spots on your face, any imperfections. You can try to use this miracle in a jar. Probably this is the best name for this cream, miracle in a jar. I bought this jar in a set of 5 or 6, I think, from PRIMARK. You can find them probably anywhere on eBay, on Amazon, but they were just £1.50. It is wonderful. I'm not storing it in a fridge. I'm just leaving it outside in a bathroom. And I will show you guys the texture of this cream several days after I made it. It looks like this. Looks a little bit like, you can see like kind of a bubbles inside. It's so fluffy. It's so, I don't know exactly how to explain. It's so tender, it's so smooth, and when you melt it between your fingers, you will see how oily it becomes. And because, of course, it's made of oils. You can try the oils here on this inner part of your palm, just to see if you have any allergy reaction. And I'm just storing it like this. Put the lid, and then put the top lid. And yeah, I'm ready. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I really hope you like this cream. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any other questions, you're very welcome to leave them underneath the video. If you are not one of my subscribers, you're very welcome to press the red subscribe button down below. And I think that finally it's time for me to stop talking and let's jump into the video. So those are all the oils that I'm gonna be using: sweet almond oil, coconut oil, shea butter organic, then moringa oil, then jojoba oil, then pumpkin seed oil, and just 2 drops of lavender oil. First of all, we are starting with boiling some water on a saucepan, and then on top of this we're gonna put some empty jars, just another empty cup, whatever you have. I'm just using the one that I'm dyeing my hair with, and I'm adding the shea butter oil, 1 teaspoon of it. Every single oil that I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna measure it with just 1 teaspoon of it, and coconut oil, again 1 teaspoon. Leave them like this for about a couple of minutes, maybe a minute and a half up to 2 minutes, until they are completely melted to each other. Now take the saucepan out of the heating and we are ready to start adding all the other oils. Moringa oil is truly Mother Nature's gift for your skin. This makes it, among other things, a highly valuable product for skin treatment. Moringa oil helps minimize the appearance of fine wrinkles and builds collagen, a protein that firms the skin and promotes elasticity. The jojoba oil is another amazing oil for your skin. It's moisturizing, it's antibacterial, it's an antioxidant, it's non-comedogenic, it's hypoallergenic. It helps control sebum production, it may help promote collagen synthesis, it may help speed up wound healing. In this face cream we are using sweet almond oil for smooth, flawless skin. Sweet almond oil can be safely used on sensitive skin as it is less likely to cause allergic reactions. And to scent the cream I decided to use 2 drops of lavender oil. The pumpkin seed oil contains omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, lots of vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It improves skin tone, its anti-aging benefits, promotes skin renewal, treats hair loss, heals wounds, and more. And now it's time to leave the hot mixture outside or in the fridge for about hour and a half. And this is how the mixture is supposed to look like when it's ready to be mixed with a hand mixer. And probably the mixing process will take you about 3 to 4 minutes. It just depends on the quantity that you made. And when I'm ready with one fine and smooth texture, I have to start filling my plastic empty jar with it. and this is the final result. I really hope you like it, angels. If you try this face cream, if you have any comment, please feel free to leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!